Hello guys, this is Madhav Gupta. I welcome you all to Edu Club, and today I am going to give you some shortcut methods in order to multiply numbers in a faster way. Today we'll be doing only 2 digits. That is how you can multiply 2 digits in comparatively less time. So we'll start with a basic example. Probably 2 to 3 parts I'll be explaining you slowly and steadily so that you will be getting actually what I am trying to convey to you. So basically, see, I'll take a simple example. This is a 3-step phenomenon, basically 23. I am taking an example and this is 12, let it be. So what you have to do is you have to just multiply. First step is this by this. So what you got, 2 into 3 is 6. So we'll write 6 here. This is step number 1 actually. Step number 2 will be 23. I'll be writing each and every step separately so that you will get actually what I'm trying to say. Second step is cross. See, like this and this. See, 2 into 2 is 4. I got 4. And 3 into 1 is 3. I got 3. I added both of them. I got 7. I wrote 7 here. This was actually step number 2, and step number 3 is 23, 12, 7, 6. I already have to write. Third step is multiply this by this. So 1 into 2 is 2. So this is your answer. You can even cross check by your traditional approach. See, I'll be checking. 2 into 3 is 6. 2 to the 4 again. 1 into 3 is 1. So 2 1 the 2. 2, 7, 6. See, both are same. Actually, this method will be more convenient if you will be practicing more and more, at least 10 to 15 problems. So only then it will be of any scope for you. Otherwise, if you will not practice, you will not remember this trick. So basically, the only way to be to be good in it is just practice. So let us take one more example. This is 24 into 19, let it be. So first step was, I'll change the color. First step was this, multiply. 4 into 9 is 36. So here I'll be writing 3 as carry. Okay. Next step, 24. This was step number 1 actually. And step number 2 is this, 19. So left the 6 there. Now second step was cross. This 9 into 2, 18. 4 into 1, 4. And if you remember, we already had 3 as a carry. So I'll add both of these. 8 on 4, 12. 12 and 3, 15. 2 ones are 2. 25. 25 I got, so I'll write 5 here and 2 here. The last step will be 24 and 19. 56 I already had. 2 into 1 is 2, and with this 2 it will be 4. Now you will say, sir, even you are taking more than 3 to 4 minutes in each question, then how you could say that this trick is of value? Because I just want to tell you, because I am explaining to you. That's why I am taking time in all that. When you had practiced 15 to 20 questions like this, and then you will automatically come to know how beneficial it can be when it comes to competitive exams. So at last I would like to say, if you like the trick, if you like the way I did, if you want to learn similar problems, please subscribe my channel Edu Club. It's all about free education for all those who cannot afford quality education. Just subscribe it, press the bell icon and share it so that each and everyone who wants to have knowledge without even giving even a single penny, just subscribe to us. Thank you. Have a good day.